This is Ayden and Nathan from the Off Grid Shop. Today we are going to do an unboxing of the EcoFlow Delta Max. Have a bit of a look at what's inside. Nathan's going to slice it open now.
You're going to be licensed to open these boxes up. A lot bigger than the Delta 1300. Oh, that's 40 kilos, alright. So in the box we got that, big 40 kilo unit, and this, which is all your cable connectors. It's going to have your power point charging, your solar charging, and your 12 volt charging from your car. Looks pretty much the same. We got the same sort of screen and style of the Delta 1300, but straight up you can notice it's twice the size easy of the Delta 1300.
So these are the connector cables it comes with. Start with a cigarette lighter socket. Plugs into the side for DC charging. Have the obvious solar connection. So basic MC4 plugs and the same connection as the DC side. This one too. What's that one for?
I think these are interconnecting your, actually no. Not sure what that is for, we're going to have to look into that.
Kettle cord for charging from DC, from AC, I mean. And then we've got some instructions.
So stay tuned for our next video where we're going to go through the specs and we're going to tell you what it can do and how to charge it.
Alright, so here we have the screen up the front. Turn it on properly. We've got the USB ports, USB-A and USB-C. On the back here we have the extra battery ports for adding additional batteries. And further, here we have our AC out, our cigarette lighter socket plug, and these universal connections for charging things like laptops and the likes.
So there you have it, guys. That's the Delta Max. Perfect for camping, backup for the house. Yeah, this sort of size unit, you can do all sorts of things. You can power cookers, air cons even, heaters. It's got all sorts of utilities for it. I really recommend looking into it. It's quite an upgrade on the Delta 1300 and it's really impressive. So thanks guys, and we'll see you next time.